Hi family!
Hi family!
So in this video, we're going to try another frozen treat. Now this one comes straight from my childhood and it's called limber de coco. This recipe is one that I have not tried before. I found it online and I will link the video that I watched online in the description box below. But Abigail, have you had limber de coco before?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
I don't think she has. But she's going to try it after we make it and hopefully the taste brings me back to my childhood. So if you want to see how we create this limber de coco and see if it actually turns out the right way, then keep on watching. Okay, so this recipe is actually pretty simple and straightforward. All you do is you grab your ingredients and you put them in the blender, stir it, then blend it, stir it again, and put it in the cups. But I'm going to take you step by step and tell you how much of each ingredient you're going to need. And then my daughter, you're going to help me. Well, your bear's over there. But the bear's not helping me. You are. You're going to put the ingredients in here, right? Okay. In there. Thank you. So, we're going to start off with agua de coco. So that's coconut water. So this is the Goya brand, just regular old agua de coco. I'm going to use half of this can because it's bigger than the one I saw in the video. So I'm going to do half of this can. So I'm going to do this one without my assistant. Just because she doesn't know how to measure half yet. Alright, so we did half a can of agua de coco. Now we're going to do crema de coco or coconut cream. And we're going to do the whole can of coconut cream. You want to pour it?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you reach it? You can help me? Oh my goodness. Woo!
What's that?
The coconut cream.
Okay. You want to walk?
And then, yeah, we need the coconut milk. So you're going to do a whole can of coconut milk as well. You going to help me?
Yes.
Whoa, thank you. That was a good job. Now this recipe is not like my banana ice cream recipe.
Okay,
Because we are using whole milk too. So we're going to use a cup. Say 1 cup.
1 cup.
1 cup of whole milk, and we're going to pour that right in there. Thank you so much, assistant. We're going to use a tablespoon or half a tablespoon of vanilla. Good. And then we'll also be using half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Now I have another half a tablespoon because we're going to drizzle it on top at the end. Okay, this is cinnamon. Cinnamon. Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Ooh, yummy. Now we also have a cup of water and we're going to use that at the end after we mix this to kind of lighten the consistency of it. So let's go ahead and put this on here.
Okay, can you
You got my lid?
No. Okay.
You're going to get it? I'll help you. I'll help you. Thank you. We're going to go ahead and plop the lid on.
I forgot to mention you'll also need half a cup of sugar added to the mixture before you start blending.
And then what we're going to do is we're just going to blend this until everything is incorporated, not too long. And then I'll show you what we're going to have to do next, okay? Alright, so now that everything is blended, we're going to take off the lid.
Okay.
And what you'll notice is, that there's a foam on top. So according to the video that I saw, that foam is going to do no good when it comes to the limber. So we want to go ahead and carefully just remove the foam, none of the liquid. And I have a little container here. And I'm just removing the foam. Alright, so for this next part, now that we took the foam off, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add a cup of water. Go ahead, add the cup of water. And then we're going to mix this in. So mix it.
Okay.
Go ahead, mix it in. Carefully, thank you. You don't have to blend this again, you just want to mix it with a spoon. Good job. Now we're going to take the spoon, we're going to move it off to the side. And now it's time to get our cups filled, but you don't want to. Yeah, the cups. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fill these cups almost to the top, but we want to leave some space right at the top. So we're gonna lay these out.
I'm gonna eat it.
Well, we can't eat it yet. We gotta freeze it. So let's go ahead. I have 12 cups out. You want to count with me?
Yes.
Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11. 12. Very good. So we have 12 cups. So I think this will be enough. I'm not sure. If it's not, we have more. If it's less, then we'll just put some away. So let's go ahead and we're going to start by filling these up. You're going to help me fill these up?
Yes.
All right. So let's go ahead and fill these up. All right. So what we do now is we sprinkle these on the top with some cinnamon, and then they'll be ready for the freezer. So let's go ahead and sprinkle some cinnamon.
Cinnamon. But I'm cinnamon too, Daddy.
You're gonna help me sprinkle the cinnamon?
Yes.
All right. And now we're ready to put them in the freezer. All right, let's open the freezer and check these limber's out. Oh my, let's make sure they are completely frozen, and they are looking super delicious. Ooh, can't wait to eat them. Alrighty, so we have the limbes. I also put some of the mixture in a popsicle mold. And oh, somebody's excited. So we're gonna go ahead and try. It's the same recipe, just one in the plastic cup and one in the bowl. So, ooh, somebody's ready. All right, let's pop one out. Oh, let's see how pretty it is. Oh. Oh, look how cute that turned out. Oh, yummy, yummy. Wait. I need mine.
Yeah.
Okay, so hold yours. Don't eat it yet. You gotta hold it. And mine,
What's that?
that's the stick, so hold it. So if you have it in the cup, you want to make sure you warm around.
What's that?
The border of the cup is a unicorn.
Coco.
Because you want to pop it up, so you could either eat it from the top down, or you can flip it. That's why some people call it flip cup, because you can flip it and eat it from the bottom top to the top. All right, ooh, you ready? Ooh, I gotta warm mine up around the sides so it can pop up. You ready?
Yes.
Ooh, my goodness. Ooh, let's try it. Okay, 1, 2, you eat yours. Go ahead, use yours. It's so good. Take a bite of yours. So good.
Go.
You like yours?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
What's that? What's that?
So if you try this recipe at home, make sure you let us know in the comments below if you like it, if you enjoyed it, or if you have any recipe ideas for us to try. Also leave that in the comments. So we hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. So till next time, bye. Say bye.
Bye. Yummy.
Yummy.